I'm delighted to be able to sign the final deal agreement today alongside our regional partners in local government and the UK government. This signals a major step forward for the region, and it is important that momentum is maintained so that the region can progress towards the delivery of the deal.
As co-chairs, Rosemary and I would like to thank both the UK Government and the Welsh Government for the support and commitment that they've shown us to ensure that this hugely significant investment comes to Mid Wales. The Growing Mid Wales Board has worked tirelessly over recent years to ensure that the proposed investment has turned into reality, as the signing today at last marks the final phase of this development before the funding can start flowing into the region.
This is a really important day for Mid Wales. The UK Government has huge ambitions for the people who live and work in this wonderful part of our nation, and these ambitions will now be backed by £55 million of UK Government investment. This deal has the power to transform livelihoods, creating over 1,000 jobs in the area and spreading prosperity.
I'm delighted to be taking part in the signing of this final deal agreement for the Mid Wales Growth Deal. It's something we've been working on for a long time and often through challenging times. But it will mean a lot for our businesses and our communities, our residents in Powys. We now have in place a framework through which we can develop a portfolio and projects. A very good day for Mid Wales.